Retaking those sectors is a lost cause. Bombardment from orbit risks collateral damage, so we need a more targeted approach. Commandeer a Nova Cannon implosive warhead from the Navy supplies in the Astra Militarum depot and deliver the payload by rail. We shall collapse the superstructure from below.
Yes, Lieutenant. We shall burn and bury all vermin. Keep close, brothers. Do not get separated in this storm.
The battle disturbs Avarax's arid landscape. Dust squalls can arise with little warning. If conditions obscure the path, look for the flashing guideposts.
Check your aim.
Finally through that damn quick. Advance when it is clear.
No hope and no rains.
Imperium power rises to strike. This squall is as harmful as a summer breeze. Fire, brother. The storm has dissipated. Reloading magazine. I pray these sands are cleansing the chitin from those Xenos. No storm.
Into the fray! Face it!
Their advantage.
Replica just set! Reloading! Some warrior. Finally through that damn gate. What needs grappling? Closing the gap. Another bloody sandstorm incoming. Stay there. All these dead Tyranids are a welcome sight. Arming up. Hook available. Into the maw of death.
The storm has dissipated. Thank the throne for this sturdy shelter.
What needs grappling? Disappointing! Magazine out! Magazine in!
A tragedy that all these munitions cannot be unleashed upon the alien scum.
Activate the Quartermaster's console and wake the machine spirit. Instruct it to load the implosive warhead onto the train and assist it when necessary.
Who cope and no brains. Contact hope for help short. Tether unbound. Rebel launcher set. Cultivation. One down. Trillions to go. Shoot the spore mines. Xenos burning. Incoming. My weapon is dry. Taught it not to ambush. Magazine empty. Stay there, buddy. Throwing frag grenade! Full hope and no brains. Closing the gap. No more Xenos. I shall be claiming this.
His blessings, Quartermaster. Awaiting your instructions.
We require a Nova Cannon implosive warhead to be loaded on the train.
Acknowledged. Commencing transfer protocols. Attention. Servitors not found. Operators required to complete the transfer process.
Releasing strike grenades! We are allies! Firepower!
Stay dead, vermin! Reloading! Arming up!
Score my armor with careless fire.
Swapping out magazine! Nothing stands after a melter.
To discover payload, the supply queue.
Cut that zoanthrope, brothers! Magazine out! Magazine in!
Check your aim.
Reloading! Hostile sacrificing extract! Ordnance on me!
The bindings have been loosened. I thank this machine's spirit.
Good. Escort the payload to the train.
That lift ought to ferry us to the train.
We are allies. The Emperor sees all empty tale.
Arming up!
Swapping magazine.
Stand ready. Into the fray. One down. Millions to go.
I pray these sands are cleansing the chitin from those xenos.
Closing the gap. One needs grappling. Tether unbound. Before it moves for aid.
The storm has dissipated.
Book available. Tyranids aim to make a meal of us. Got the Lictor.
This squall is as harmful as a summer breeze.
No hope and no brains. Finally through that damn grate. Into the maw of death. Stay dead, buddy. Into the fray.
This is not a test of metal, but of patience.
Grapnel launcher set. Lay the mountain of the sea, bastards. The Emperor some warrior. Magazine out, magazine in. Finally through that damn grate.
We as an
Nova cannon and explosive warheads are a thing to behold. Finish that bastard, or you have more to do.
I have walked worlds unnumbered, and have not yet found one I could not conquer.
find strength, brother.
Death cannot pry me from my book.
No storm to lay on.
Suffer your poor aim for only so long.
One down. Trillions to go now.
Our will remains untarnished, unblemished, unbroken.
Magazine out, magazine in. Tether on down, bridges up. Good hope and no brains. Finally through all that damned weight. Swapping out magazine. Good to go. I thought we would have encountered more Xenos by now.
Obstruction detected. Removal is required to commence.
Acknowledged and ready.
Our pathway is open. Replenished and ready.
Swapping magazine.
My duty is eternal, and so am I.
Purge the aliens.
Rain-walking high-beats. Steal your mind! That one is screaming for help. Silence them! Swapping out magazine. Closing the gap. Melter boy ready. So and so eliminating. I will die with my hands around them. Stay there, buddy. Book available. Replenished and ready. Arming up. us all! Did the enemy run out of weapons? Round launch! Left terror! Magazine out! Magazine in!
Remain calm.
Xenos sight! Hold nothing back, brothers! View your packs, brothers! Arming up!
Railment on transit. Request services to rearrange.
Finished and ready! Open out magazine!
Remain calm.
No more rounds!
Seeking operator. Not found. Resuming search. Seeking operator. Not found. Resuming search.
May the hive mind howl at their defeat!
Departmental Editorial Weapons Transfer. 3639 loading complete. Manifest updated.
A Xenos stalker hunts us! Frag grenade out! One down. Trillions to go. Punching through their defense. For more of death. Feather up now.
Immensely force field scan.
Stay there, running. needs grappling. The sneaky bastard is down. Into the maw of death. There's a pop grapple launcher set.
Swapping magazine.
Hawk available. Swapping out magazines.
The Emperor sees your impious head.
Arming up. That will teach you to sneak up on the starting.
Score my Arsenal cannot.
Finished and ready. Bury that burrower. No turning back now.
Warhead is loaded, Lieutenant.
Good. Deploy it.
Into the fray. Shut them up. Some warrior.
Changing magazine.
Giving them a shock. I shall be cleaning this. Giving them a shrapnel bar.
The Emperor sees your impious head.
Silence them. Stay dead, buddy. Magazine out, magazine in. Time to bury those hive abominations.
Error. Engine power depleted. Initiating charging cycle. Departmental military penalties will be assessed.
Of course the Forsaken power is depleted.
Talassa, I have multiple swarms moving to your location. You have their attention. Deal with them swiftly. We will not get another shot at this.
Tyranids on the open tracks! Let us crush them with an engine.
There are engines in service that may be routed along the parallel tracks. Route changes may be made by a dispatcher at the track's control terminal.
Purge the Xenos scum from the motive engine! Lest they destroy us!
Changes suspected. Ready for departure. Charging system detected. Engines requested to perform lines of restoration.
Link your armor to the Mechanicus device. You will need to keep close proximity to the charging station until the reset is complete.
Charging system detected. Engines requested to perform lines of restoration. For safety, the charging system will remain suspended until the power fault is corrected. Please stand by.
If we coordinate precisely, we can fix the charging station and defend the train simultaneously.
Warming up.
We are allied.
standing for technology.
Until the powerful is corrected.
Coordinate precisely. Against the charge of push and defend the train simultaneously.
God, that is all! Did the enemy run out of weapons?
Emergency. An emergency maintenance is awaiting your immediate attention.
It seems I must stand in for technology. Cracking their armor! Summoning Xenos! Kill it! Time to have that side box buzzing out of my ears! I love it when vermin dig their own graves.
The Emperor sees the future.
Reaction restored. Raise the charge to 75%.
Deploy immediately.
Cannot wait to see this. What needs grappling?
Departure is contingent on final launch protocols.
Emperor, guide this weapon into the heart of our foe.
Detonation in 5. Brace for shockwave.